Welcome to InvisaBlend with the microstrand technology. This is a key video for beginners who have first received their microstrand technology hair process. Now, there's key details in this video that you have to understand clearly. So please review this entire video and possibly more than once. Number one key is that it's not an as-is product. Meaning, when you get it, it's not I like it or I don't. It possibly needs additional fitting. It possibly needs additional changing. All right? So what can go wrong with it? You might love it, or you might say, it's too thick. It's too thin. I want a different texture. I want it, know how to style it differently. I don't know how to handle it. You might need to know something about the attachment. So there's many different things that you have to get used to and understand. All right, but the key thing here, it's not as is. So what we do to support you, we give you a 30-day fitting and adjustment period. So remember that. 30-day fitting and adjustment period. It was in your original order form also. What does this mean? It means that you have 30 days to experience it. And if you feel anything is not perfect, anything, you let us know. You contact us at 201-567-5332 and you let us know what help you need, whether you need some just suggestions or whether you feel like you need anything different. You want it thinner, you want it thicker, you want a different color, you want to dim down the highlights, anything you can think of, you want it to fit differently, you have some questions. That's part of it. That's why I say it's not an as-is product. So that's very, very important. If you look at it as an as-is product, you might not like it. I don't like it because the bangs are too long. I don't like it because it's not curling right. I don't like it because it's too full. And if you take that approach and stop, then you're going to really waste your money, all right? And you're not going to allow us to help you to make it perfect for you. Because once we make it perfect for you, whether it might be right off the shot, right off the bat in the very beginning, you might love it, and that's great. But it might need changes or adjustments to make it perfect. And once it becomes perfect, then you're set. Then we found your so-called combination. Then everything else is smooth and easy after that.